Schedule posts in minutes. How you can schedule your post within a twinkle of an eye. Let's go to Facebook. With this, we are scheduling with our profile, not our page, with our profile. So all you need to do is click your Facebook app and not Facebook Lite. Once you click on it, come to where you have what's on your mind. Click on that and type whatsoever you have in mind to post, whatever post you want to post. If you want to impute your picture, you want to upload your video, whatever you want to post, just post it. So for this video, I don't want it to be too long because I have a step-by-step video where I explain in details how to go about it, but this is just a short video. So type what you want to type and click on next. So once you click on next, it will take you to this spot. You click on scheduling posts. Once you click on scheduling posts, it will load to this place and you click on schedule for later. Then you pick the date. If you are picking today's date, if you are picking tomorrow's date, if you are picking on the first, whatsoever date you want to pick. So I'll be posting this for tomorrow by 7 o'clock in the morning. You can see it. If it's evening, you put it on PM. Then I click on schedule. You are going to see the time here. Then you come back here and click on post. Once you click on that, it's going to schedule your post for you. You can see your post is scheduled. Then once you click on manage here, it will take you to see the posts you have scheduled. So here are all the posts I had scheduled on my profile. So you can do this either on profile or on page, depending on where you want to do it. If this video has been helpful to this extent, don't forget to like, comment, and I will see you in the other side. And also subscribe to my channel.